Our previous video illustration 4 offered a brief introduction to the entire observation, recording, data analysis, and graphic representation process used in the conduct of an IBSA structural analysis. That slide presentation began by offering a behavioral taxonomy, showed how it was used to collect systematic continuous data, how those data were subsequently analyzed by a kinematic matrix showing all sequences and conditional probabilities, and then ended with a seemingly acceptable kinematic representation in the form of a flow diagram. We're going to begin with that diagram for the present video illustration of random behavior representation in Reconstruction. The current video presentation attempts to illustrate the visual experience of using the previously established kinematic rules to select video clips that satisfy the operational definition of any corresponding category, but that also result in a visual experience that includes many impossible jumps, not just from one behavior to the other, but also from one location to another. Such jumps illustrate how incomplete the defining criteria are for these categories, thus confirming that they are insufficient for valid reconstructions of the animal's contextual interactions or interbehaviors as required in CyberRat. So let's begin by illustrating the most common behavior, moving locations in the operant chamber. Here the animal moves from the back left corner to the front left corner. From this behavior, the animal begins to explore, but does so beginning at the right to center front of the chamber. From this explore, she moves, then shifts to licking and drinking at the water reservoir. From the lick-drink, she moves again, but notice where this occurs. Now she rears in the front left corner of the chamber and stays reared for several seconds. Then she moves, but notice there's a less drastic transitional edit to this moving back toward the location from which she started. Now, let's watch the entire resulting reconstruction video in a CyberRat graphic. See the jumping from clip to clip? The animal moves, goes to the lick drink, moves again, hopefully, this illustrates why this particular category system is found to be insufficient description for proper statistical reconstructions using video.